Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing good today. Well, today I'm going to share with you 3 facts about rabbit manure that it makes me think that as all around as a fertilizer for your garden, rabbit manure is one of the best, if not the best. And 2 of these facts that I'm going to share, you probably don't give them a lot of thought, or maybe you've never heard of them, but they are really important. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so if you watch this video and you like it and you find value in it, hey, check out some of my other ones, and if you want, please consider subscribing. I really would appreciate it, and as always, it is free. Now, the first one I'm going to talk about is soil pH, and I don't think a lot of people think about this when they use manures, but I use pig manure a lot, and so pig manure will raise the pH of your soil. Now, I have clay soil, and it tends to run a little bit alkaline anyway, and so when I add that, it's only going to make it worse. So I have to, add more garden sulfur or something to make up for that. Now, rabbit manure, while it isn't going to lower your pH, it's probably not going to raise it. So for the majority of the things in my garden, I really don't worry about pH a whole lot. Corn, it likes a little bit lower pH, but I never amend for it or anything like that, and it always seems like my corn grows pretty decent. But when I'm growing these potatoes, I have to actively manage that pH in my garden to get it down well below a 7. And so when I add manures, I can make the problem worse, or if I add rabbit manure, at least I'm not adding to the problem. And so for that reason, I think rabbit manure is a little bit better, as far as pH in your soil goes. All right, this is my pile of pig manure that I collected over last winter. And I really do like pig manure. It's very well balanced. It has all the nutrients that your plants need. But one thing about it is it has weed seeds in it. And I'm trying to talk here. Come on, guy. Cut me a break. And I'm trying to keep with what I know personally, but from what I've read, horse manure has a lot of weed seeds in it too. But with rabbit manure, you feed them those alfalfa pellets and they don't have any, weed seeds in their diet. And even chicken manure. I really like chicken manure, but there's still going to be some weed seeds in that too. And so that is another reason why I think rabbit manure just is a very good, fertilizer for your garden, is because it doesn't introduce any weed seeds. All right, so the last one, I think pretty much everybody knows this, but there's more to it, and that is rabbit manure is a cold manure. And so what that means is you really don't have to compost it. You don't have to let it age like I do my pig manure, and it is a very well balanced fertilizer. And plus, when you go to collect it, you're going to get alfalfa pellets that you fed them along with it, which makes it even better. But the benefit of this is being a cold manure, you can use it in a variety of ways, but it's a lot safer to use. And so I've said this in other videos, I really do believe we're going to see a lot of new people start gardening. And so you can burn your plants up if you use chicken manure at the wrong time. But with rabbit manure, it's just going to be a lot safer for somebody that has not been around manures trying to use them in their garden. For that reason, I believe it makes a great manure, a great fertilizer for your garden. Now, rabbits are really, really easy to take care of. You don't have to have a lot of room. I really encourage people, if you're able to, and you have a garden, I really encourage people to have chickens, but rabbits, they're probably the cheapest thing you can raise. They're really simple to raise. You don't have to have any kind of special equipment or anything. Just a rabbit hutch, food and water, and they're really kind of fun to raise too. And so for that reason there, I think this is something that even somebody with a small space can get their own organic fertilizer, and so they don't have to rely on something from a big box store, or they get it from somewhere. They're just not for sure what is in that organic material. Well, let me know what you think. And again, I think every manure is really good, but I think rabbit manure all around, if I could only have one, it would be rabbit. So you guys have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.